5 years ago, I bought a really rare Calibra SE5. Bought it sight unseen off Facebook, and it needed quite a bit of work. Shortly after I bought it, it went down to Wales to have some work done, and I haven't seen it since. Well, I'm here at the Practical Classic Car and Restoration Show, and it's here. I haven't seen it, so let's go find it. There, Club Calibra, there. Now I want to make it really, really clear. I have seen a photo of it, but I haven't seen it in person. I genuinely have not seen this car in 5 years. There's been quite a few things happen in that 5 years, so I've been told it hasn't really changed. So just before we get down to the car, I want to give a very quick shout out to the sponsor of this video, which is Cherished Vehicle Insurance Services. Now, I'm not about to say that they're the most amazing insurance company and the best thing since sliced bread, but if you are looking for an insurance quote for your specialist or classic car or anything like that, please do think about going to Cherished Vehicle Insurance Services for a quote at the very least. They have genuinely helped me produce this video, so at the very least, I'm going to give them a plug and ask you to support them. Potentially going to be a cheaper price, who knows? Give it a go, there's a link in the description below. Anyway, let's have a look at the car. Oh my god. Right, how it should look, how it actually looks. Oh my god, look at it. Wow, wow. Okay, it is. Look, it's got, see this, you see all the little paw prints, look, where cats and so forth have been climbing over it. Wow, holy wow, that's a lot. Jesus, look at it. Wow. I mean, look, that's proper on there. Is it open? Oh, it is. Still got the Calibra smell though. Wow. Oh my God, I remember leaving that in here. I forgot I sent that down. I'm taking that back with me. I put an air freshener in. What was the point in that? Yeah, I remember the wiring. The wiring was a complete mess. And also we're going to fix this hideous bodge job of wiring. Whoever did that wants shooting. Absolutely appalling. Hey, the headlining's still up though. Look. Look at that. That's a headlining on turbo. Oh my God. It's not mouldy or anything in here. It's not looking that bad. I'm all right with that, you know. The outside though. Wow. Wow, I remember that dent. There is a dent here as well, which we're going to get sorted. Someone looks like they've hit it with a hammer after they got annoyed with it. Someone had hit it with a hammer, I think. Oh, Jesus, the spoiler's got bad. That was a tiny little patch there. It's a bit rough around the edges at the moment. As you can see, there's some blistering paint on here, which we're going to get sorted. That was a tiny patch there, and now look at it. The whole thing, all the lacquer's gone off it. Wow. Look at this. Look at that. Look. That's not coming off easy, is it? How much I would love to go at this with Polar Series. Wow. Jesus. Wheels are still looking all right. I mean, the tyres are stuff. Look, these were the markings that we drew on it. They said these are all the elements that we've got to fix on the car. Look at it. It's just sat. I reckon the bonnet's open. I'm going to try and open the bonnet. Wait there. Look at that. I'll be honest, I don't think that's really changed that much. Wow, the battery tray's getting knackered. strut mounts look alright. What about the inner wings? How are they doing? Yeah, they're still okay. Look at the moss. Wow. Wow. That's oh yeah, I remember these. I'm going to take these off while I'm here. I'm going to put them on the turbo, I think. They still look alright though. My days. That's a lot, isn't it? Wow. So people have been asking me, what's the plan with it? The plan is still to get it back looking as good as it possibly can, because in here, let me show you this. See this? 81,000 miles. When it's done, this will be one of the lowest mileage SE5s. Man, I can't believe this. Wow. Hello, Spider. Have you got a ticket?
Whole weekend.
Have you got a ticket? No. So, go away. Go on. Out. I bet that won't open. So, there is the SE5 currently sat at Practical Classics. Hopefully, the next time it's on the channel, it'll look a little bit more like this, nice and shiny, but black rather than green. My SE5, it still lives. That's a good thing, but obviously it hasn't really changed that much in 5 years. A lot has happened in 5 years, some of which I can explain on the channel, some of which I can't, unfortunately. But the plan is still to get the SE5 fully restored. So, if you want to see it fully restored, you know what to do, hit that subscribe button. It'll come up at some point in a future video. What I'm going to do now is film all of the highlights from the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show, and you can see that video linked at the end of this video. All I have to say is thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, hit that like button. It helps put this video in front of more people just like you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.